Ever wonder what's keeping the universe from falling apart? There's something mysterious out there. We can't see it or touch it, but it's everywhere. It's holding galaxies together like cosmic superglue. Welcome to the weird world of dark matter. Back in the 1930s, astronomer Fritz Zwicky was looking at a massive cluster of galaxies and scratching his head. Something weird was going on. These galaxies were spinning way too fast. They should have been flying apart like a broken merry-go-round. But they weren't. It's like watching someone spin a bucket of water over their head, except the water stays in the bucket even without the bucket. Zwicky figured there had to be some invisible matter out there pulling everything together. He called it dark matter, and at first everyone thought he was crazy. But here's the thing, he was totally right. The math didn't lie. There was way more gravity than visible matter could explain. Scientists call this the missing mass problem, and it's still keeping them up at night. Let's zoom in from galaxy clusters to individual galaxies because things get even weirder. Think about our Milky Way. It's spinning like a cosmic frisbee. But here's the problem. The stars at the outer edges are moving way too fast. According to regular physics, these stars should be flung into space like pizza toppings flying off a spinning pizza. But they're not. They're staying in a perfect spiral. It's as if some invisible force is holding everything together. Scientists measured the speed of these outer stars and found they're moving at the same speed as stars closer to the center. This completely breaks what we know about gravity. It's like having a merry-go-round where kids on the outer edge move at the same speed as those near the middle. The only explanation? There must be a huge amount of invisible matter spread throughout the galaxy, creating a gravitational safety net that keeps everything in place. Ready for something mind-blowing? The universe isn't just a random scattering of galaxies. It's more like a giant 3D spider web made of dark matter. These invisible threads create a cosmic highway system that galaxies actually follow. Imagine pouring water on a sidewalk. The water doesn't spread evenly. It follows the cracks and grooves. That's exactly how galaxies behave, flowing along these dark matter streams. When scientists map out where galaxies cluster together, they see this amazing web pattern emerge. It's like dark matter drew the blueprints and regular matter just followed along. This cosmic web is absolutely massive. We're talking about structures that stretch across billions of light years. And get this, computer simulations show that without dark matter's web, our universe would look completely different. Scientists have been playing a cosmic game of guess who, trying to figure out what dark matter is made of. Remember those old brown neutrinos we talked about in physics class? Everyone thought they were the answer. Turns out they're way too light to do the job. Then came machos, massive compact halo objects, basically invisible space chunks like black holes and dead stars. But nope, there aren't enough of them either. WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, were the next big hope. These mysterious particles would be perfect candidates, barely interacting with regular matter, but heavy enough to explain all that extra gravity. Scientists even built giant underground detectors to find them. Spoiler alert, still nothing. It's like dark matter is playing the universe's longest game of hide and seek. Okay, get ready for the most dramatic space collision ever caught on camera. Two massive galaxy clusters smashed into each other at millions of miles per hour, creating what we call the bullet cluster. Here's where it gets wild. When scientists looked at where the regular matter ended up versus where the gravity was coming from, they saw something impossible. The gravity wasn't matching up with the visible stuff. It's like watching a car crash where the skid marks and debris are in one place, but the insurance company's tracking device shows the cars somewhere completely different. This was the smoking gun evidence scientists had been waiting for. Proof that dark matter isn't just some mathematical trick. It's real, it's out there, and it doesn't play by the same rules as regular matter. Here's where the scientific plot thickens. What if we've been wrong about gravity this whole time? Some scientists think we don't need dark matter at all. They say we should just rewrite the rules of gravity. It's called modified Newtonian dynamics, or MUND for short. Think of it like this. Instead of adding invisible matter to make the math work, they're changing the equation itself. It's like realizing your bathroom scale is broken rather than assuming you've gained invisible weight. Mond actually explains some things really well, especially how galaxies rotate, but it struggles with bigger stuff like that wild bullet cluster collision we talked about. Right now, dark matter is winning the scientific boxing match, but Mond isn't throwing in the towel just yet. Let's go on a subterranean adventure to the most sophisticated hide-and-seek game in history. Scientists have built these massive dark matter detectors deep underground. We're talking abandoned gold mines and mountain tunnels. Why so deep? Because the Earth acts like a giant filter, blocking out cosmic rays and other particles that might mess with our dark matter hunt. These detectors are filled with tons of super-pure liquid xenon, kept at temperatures colder than space. When a dark matter particle bumps into a xenon atom, it should create a tiny flash of light. It's like trying to catch a ghost with a really fancy camera. The largest detector, Xenon 1T in Italy, has been watching and waiting for years. So far, these underground labs haven't caught our invisible quarry, but they're getting more sensitive every year. Here's something that'll make your morning coffee a bit more exciting. Billions of dark matter particles are zooming through your body right now. Seriously, these sneaky particles are passing through everything. Your coffee mug, your cat, even Earth itself. They're like cosmic ninjas, completely invisible and untouchable. Think about it. If a dark matter particle hit a regular atom, it would happen about once every 100 years. That means there's probably a dark matter particle party happening in your kitchen, but you'll never know it. It's weird to think about, right? All this invisible stuff just existing, doing its own thing, completely ignoring our physical world except for gravity. Let's meet the candidates in our cosmic lineup of dark matter suspects. First up, we've got WIMPs, the heavyweight champions that scientists have been chasing for decades. Think of them as shy cosmic bodybuilders, super heavy but terrible at interacting with others. Then there's axions, the tiny but mighty particles that could be floating around everywhere, kind of like cosmic confetti. These little guys might solve some big problems in physics. And don't forget sterile neutrinos. Imagine regular neutrinos' antisocial cousins who really don't want to talk to normal matter. Each of these particles could be the answer we're looking for, but they're all playing hard to get. Here's the wild thing about dark matter. Finding it could completely flip our understanding of physics upside down, but not finding it, that might be even crazier. If we discover dark matter particles, we'll have to rewrite physics textbooks to include this whole shadow world of matter we never knew about. But if all our detectors keep coming up empty, we might need to rethink everything we know about gravity and how the universe works. Some scientists are already whispering about more radical ideas, like extra dimensions or modifications to Einstein's theories. The next decade of dark matter hunting could either solve one of science's biggest mysteries or create even bigger ones. Thanks for joining me on this mind-bending journey through the dark side of the universe. If you enjoyed unraveling these cosmic mysteries, smash that like button and subscribe for more space adventures. Share this video, the dark matter demands it.